Thank you, Tanmaya, for the wonderful presentation of the hymn.
No institution thrives without visionary leadership. It is now our privilege to invite the pillar of this institution, Dr. Pauline Priya S., our esteemed principal, to address the gathering and share her insights on this momentous occasion.
A very good afternoon to one and all gathered here. I welcome you all to the valedictory session of the 5th SJCL National Level Moot Court Competition. On behalf of the Director, Father Gerald D'Souza, SJ, the Vice Principal, Ms. Shobha Hegde, the Finance Officer, Father Prashant Sequeira, SJ, the faculty and staff of St. Joseph's College of Law, I welcome you all. We have amidst us dignitaries of commendable distinction and rank. I take this opportunity to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Narendra Prasad, Judge, High Court of Karnataka. Sir, we're honored to have you amidst us today. We also have with us Advocate L.P.E. Rigo, Senior Advocate, High Court of Karnataka, and the founder of Rigo and Rigo Associates, Bangalore. Sir is an advocate and an author par excellence, so we're happy to have with us today. We're also joined by Mr. Santosh Nagrahalli, Advocate, High Court of Karnataka. Sir is an accomplished and celebrated advocate. We're happy to have you with us. I'm also happy to extend a warm welcome to all the 18 teams from across the country who have participated in this event. Dear students, I am sure that you agree with me that mooting as an exercise sustains and deepens healthy democratic traditions to hold contrary views, the willingness to resolve differences through constructive dialogue, and sensitivity to the needs of the poor and disadvantaged sections of the society. The moot problem chosen for this year's competition is centered around issues regarding the intersection of human rights and working hours in the organized sector. The regulation of working hours, particularly in the organized sector, which employs large number of individuals, is a critical aspect of labor law that governs well-being, dignity, and the rights of workers. However, the challenge lies in striking a balance between the economic needs of an employer and the fundamental rights of a worker. It is our endeavor that the SJCL National Moot Court Competition serves as an incubator for values that mandate the sensitization of students to social, economic, and political realities. Dear students, I am sure that this moot court competition was truly preceded by a grilling schedule that put you through a rigorous exercise of testing your research and articulation skills. I truly hope that this experience translates into meaningful results for those of you who will taste the real thrill of the courtroom exercise tomorrow. I would also like to extend a special word of welcome to our ever-reliable Uma Shankar sir, who is our Man Friday and has helped us with this event. I welcome you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A moot court is not just an exercise in legal argumentation. It is a training ground for the future custodians of justice.
Provide a concise overview of this journey, its challenges, triumphs, and invaluable learning experiences. I now invite the faculty coordinator, Professor Zafar Sadiq, to deliver a brief summary of the event.
Good afternoon, everyone. It fills me with immense joy to welcome you to the 5th St. Joseph College of Law National Moot Court Competition 2025. Today isn't just about the brilliant arguments and the fierce legal debates. It is about passion, perseverance, and the journey we share in our pursuit of justice. I still remember the excitement on April 4th, 2025, as the teams gathered for registration, the adrenaline of the researchers' test, and the inspiring inaugural ceremony where ex-Justice John Michael Cunha graced us with his wisdom. That day set the stage for what has become an unforgettable event, one that tested every ounce of our collective legal acumen and determination. On April 5th, the competition truly came alive. I watched as each team delivered their arguments with such passion and clarity, knowing they had poured countless hours into their research and preparation. The preliminary rounds distilled the very essence of the legal debate, and it was thrilling to see the top 8 teams emerge, earning their place in quarterfinals. The knockout rounds that followed were nothing short of intense as the teams battled fiercely to secure a spot in the semifinals. And now, on April 6th, we have witnessed the pinnacle of this journey, the final round, where the two best teams engaged in a riveting legal battle before our esteemed judges, including Mr. Justice Narendra Prasad. I want to express my heartfelt thanks to our dedicated judges. Your guidance, feedback, and commitment have not only evaluated our participants fairly, but have also enriched their understanding of the law. You have played a key role in inspiring these legal professionals, and for that, we are deeply grateful. To all the teams, thank you for your unwavering dedication and the vibrant energy you brought to this competition. Every argument, every rebuttal, and every moment of your presentation showcased your commitment to justice and your dream of shaping the future of law. Now, without further ado, I warmly invite our director, Father Gerald de Souza, to the stage. Please join me in welcoming him as he shares his inspiring vision for our institution and the future of legal education. Thank you and best of luck to all of you for the remainder of this exciting journey.
Justice Narendra Prasad, Judge High Court of Karnataka, dignitaries on the days, staff and my dear students, good afternoon to you. First of all, I congratulate all of you for your hard work, research, teamwork, and competitive spirit. I'm sure it has been a learning experience to all of you. As the motto of our college goes, practice law, promotes justice, and transform society, our work does not stop at knowing the law. A few sections in the legislation, we envision a transformation to justice, conscientiously followed and practiced by to be lawyers like you. All of us have revisited Article 21, which promotes life, liberty, life with respect and dignity. Let us keep this issue of right of workers going in our thinking, analysis, and moreover in our action. Once again, I thank you for your participation in this event. I'm also grateful to Justice Narendra Prasad for his presence, judging the final round and gracing the occasion of this valedictory program. I'm sure he will inspire us all from his experience and from his observation within sometimes later. I'm also grateful to Advocate Paulin Rego and Santosh Nagarale for over here and judging this final round of competition. My also special thanks to Advocate Uma Shankar for his ongoing support in organizing such events in our college. I'm also grateful to all the sponsors for their generosity in organizing this event. My special thanks to the Moot Court Society, headed by Mr. Zafar, Mr. Aprichida, and Mr. Thomas Andrews, all the student coordinators and volunteers for their planning and execution of this event. Thanks to all the faculty and the non-teaching staff for all the contributions they have made for the success of this event. Once again, thanking all of you, wishing you all well. God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, Father.
Justice H.R. Khanna once remarked, "The greatest strength of the judiciary is the confidence it commands among the people."
Credibility of this competition rests in the hands of our esteemed adjudicators who have not only evaluated the arguments but have also imparted invaluable insights to our participants. Let us now introduce and honor these legal stalwarts.
Now, we have the privilege of hearing from a legal luminary whose wisdom and experience serve as a beacon for aspiring advocates.
A stalwart in the field of law, Justice H.T. Narendra Prasad has been a torchbearer of fairness, integrity, and judicial excellence.
We are honored to invite Justice H.T. Narendra Prasad to share his thoughts with us.
We now invite Justice H.T. Narendra Prasad to address the gathering.
Good afternoon to all. I am sufficient height. Can see all of you. Don't need any. Dignitaries, the dais, respected faculties members, dear students, participants, non-teaching staff. So far, result is not announced, but one of them, either petitioner or respondent, has to be declared as a winner. Advance, I will congratulate winners. Don't think that others are loser. All are winners. The winner is first among equal. Why I am saying that others are not loser? Here, by participation, you have learned lot of things. You have learned the skill how to address the court. You have also learned how to prepare the case. May not be declared as a winner, but ultimately you are also winner. Person who has scored 1 or 2 marks, they have to be declared as a winner. Even one more thing is that only option for us is we have to give any marks on the basis of their presentation, their submissions and all. We can't pass an order on merit. We can't declare that whether that legislation is void, unconstitutional. Whatever the result we have given, it doesn't mean that we have said that legislation is unconstitutional or legislation has been upheld. The marks, I think, we have given on the basis of your submission. Anyhow, ultimately now that matter is pending before the Supreme Court. The proposition of law today was very important question which has been raised for all going to be graduate. Next step is for you. Either you have to be choose for an litigation side or you have to go to the corporate side. Now working hour is a very important thing. One thing striking in the mind is that legislation we want at the cost of our life. Yes, we are ready to give our life, get a freedom. So many freedom fighters has given a right to freedom, to get a freedom to country. After 77 years of freedom, now our rulers has been elected by us. There is no any other alternatives to growth of economy. Is it necessary to make an amendment at the cost of the lives? Is the mind of everybody. Ultimately, it will be decided on the basis of the law and how that government, what is that balancing both and all. The best thing is, you are all students, next options. What you have to do after passing that LLB. My suggestion is, all better come to litigation side. Then this issue will not be for you, that if you go to that corporate side, then that issue will become. If you come to that litigation side, you is the boss for your work. Legal profession is a noble profession. You can decide your work if you want to work 18 hours, you do it. If you want to work 4 hours, you can work 4 hours. There is no other job which has given such an option. One very beautiful thing is, you want to serve a society, you want to do pro bono cases, all options are left in this profession. Don't regret that I have chosen this law course. What you have done is in the life, best thing is that you have chosen this course. Maybe most of them, what we have seen, they are going for a corporate side. We need more lawyers. Quality lawyers we required. In our country, approximately 1,500 persons, we have one lawyer. To take that other country, USA maybe 250 persons have one lawyer. UK 500 persons, one lawyer. 1,500, the litigation compared to that other country, our litigation is more. We need more lawyers. Maybe I think that now, just because numbers of the lawyers is less, it doesn't mean that nobody is represented. But now representation by that single lawyer is in respect of the so many litigation. So many lawyers has come, it can be spread over. Better assistance to the court. Maybe first 5 years, law profession is difficult. Work is more, earn less. If you join to that company, the moment 30 days crashed, you will get in a salary. But law profession, maybe beginning it's difficult. Gradually, if you see that, even without work, you will learn. Because after that experience, we learn. You can see that so many lawyers, now they are charging for an hour. Hours, max for an hour. No profession will get this payment for an hour. You have to wait for 30 days. You are all young lawyers. No, you are all young students, law graduates. Only request is, choose for a litigation side. Today, that in law students, this concept of moot court has been introduced. This is not an academic practice. Actually, this is a school where we are preparing young lawyers to legal fraternity. Whatever you've done today, actually, this is what is happening in the court hall also. Now you learn that how to present the case before the court. You learn that after that other side you have to give a reply. What is the law has to be presented before the court. Case law has to be presented. I think in a very good concept. Moot has to be, I think every month if it is done, it is good. That too, 4th and 5th year students. The moment you have entered in a bar, you are able to appear before the court. Otherwise, it will take 2 years to learn. Now that all colleges, they are doing that, asking judges to come to one of the judge in that, you can also get over from that fear. What I am done today, same thing I have been that court hall also. There is no difference. Just because I have come to that your institution, I may be different. I am the same in the court also. This experience will help the students when you become a lawyer. Lot of opportunities are there. All are thinking that doctor, engineer, morning, every day they are wearing a different coats. Blazers, they were wearing a different color. But lawyers, they have to wear black coats. Only black color. It will not judge your personality. But earning in that lawyer, judiciary, in that legal field is much more than that other field. Some of them require, maybe I can't say everybody, they have some financial problem. Immediately they required money. Family background is also some problem is there. They want to go to the corporate side. Others, I'm requesting that please come to the litigation side. We need a good lawyer, quality lawyers, especially ladies. Now we are seeing that more number of ladies are coming. Even judiciary also, we have reserved 33% judiciary for the ladies, a civil judge and all. But we are recruiting 50%, more than 50% of the lady women are coming for a judiciary. It is a good signal. All that we want that, even a litigation side. This institution, I have get to this institution because my son was also studying in that institution in the PUC. They have requested 1 or 2 times to come to my function. I have not actually disclosed why I have not coming. I have given some other reason to see that till he is complete 2 years, I should not come to this institution. After that, this institution has invited me today. The reason is that my son don't want to show that he is a son of so and so. Especially in that law college, even that Ramaya also is studying. I have avoided to go any function to there till he complete that. That debt was there for institution. Now I think I have cleared my debt. There is no any. Once again, finally I am requesting that you have all done a good job. Concentrate for a study. just think before taking any decision, whether you have to go for any litigation side or that corporation side. All good colleges, students are opting for a corporate side. Only final request is come to that litigation side. You have all opportunities. Don't restrict your knowledge only particular subjects. If you go to that corporate side, you have to be restricted your knowledge only their maximum is drafting, conveyance. You can't go beyond that. The very beauty of this profession is our constitution. Our constitution is the best constitution in that world. I think India has been recognized in the world. One of the reasons is that our constitution. Now that they have amended this act, all that students, they have argued Article 21. I think no country which has given such a right regarding human rights than that India. See that right to privacy is a fundamental rights. We have declared that right to privacy, when there is a fundamental rights, when any legislation which affects your health, I don't think whether it will attract Article 21 or not, because matter is pending before the Supreme Court. Maybe by discussion and all, we thought that maybe it may hit Article 21. Till that matter has to be decided. Such a beautiful constitution we have. To explore the constitution, it's available only for the law students who become a lawyer. Other can claim rights on the constitution, but rights can be reached to the people by the lawyers only. If you go to the corporate side, you will miss that. Just think before that. With all this, I just say best of luck, all the students. Once again, I thank to that organizers to invite me to one and all.
Thank you, sir, for the valuable insights.
We request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly present the certificates to our participants. I now invite Student Coordinator Mr. Chirag Sagar to take over.
Each participant has demonstrated commendable efforts and dedication throughout this competition. It is now time to acknowledge their contribution. I now invite ICREP, Cochin University of Science and Technology, to come on the stage and collect the certificate. Team Code 2, School of Law, MIT World Peace University, Pune. Team Code 3, SMBEC, Center of Legal Education, Puducherry. Team Code 4, SDM Law College, Mangaluru. Team Code 5, Bishop Cotton's Women's Christian Law College, Bengaluru. Team Code 6, School of Law, Alliance University, Bengaluru. Team Code 7, Kelly Law College, Bengaluru. Team Code 8, BMS College of Law, Bengaluru. Team Code 9, School of Law, MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences, Bengaluru. Team Code 10, Sri Jagat Guru Renukacharya College of Law, Bengaluru. Team Code 11, KSLU Law College, Hubli. Team Code 12, PS University, Bangalore. Team Code 13, IFM Law College, Bengaluru. Team Code 14, School of Law, Shastra deemed to be University, Thanjavur. Team Code 15, KG Shaw Law College, Mumbai. Team Code 17, Christ Academy Institute of Law, Bengaluru. Team Code 18, Presidency Law College, Bengaluru.
Congratulations to all the participants. As we stand at this momentous finale, it is time to recognize the champions of reason, argumentation, and legal acumen.
I now invite the faculty coordinator, Professor Thomas Chakarmakal, to announce the winners of the competition.
It is my privilege to declare the achievers for the various awards of the 5th SJCL National Moot Court Competition 2025. These awards are the outcome of planned and systematic effort and the coordination and the sacrifices that the various teams have put forward for all of the rounds and formats of this competition. Proceeding to the individual awards, we have the Best Researcher Award. I would call upon our learned principal, Dr. Pauline Priya, to step forward to give the Best Researcher Award. Best Researcher Award goes to Ms. Kavya Gopal from Faculty of Law, PS University, Bengaluru. Proceeding to the next award, we proceed to the Father Praveen Hridayaraj Best Speaker Award. This award is in recognition of the memory of the founder vice principal, Father Praveen Hridayaraj. This award is conferred upon Srimati Chuki Anagha C. from School of Law, Alliance University, Bengaluru. I call upon Reverend Father Prashant Sequeira SJ, the Finance Officer, to hand over this award. Proceeding to the next award, these are the team awards. First one being the Best Memorandum Award to recognize the drafting skills of a team. This award is conferred upon Srinishanka Vadiraj and Kavya Gopal from Faculty of Law, PS University, Bengaluru. I call upon our Director, Reverend Father Gerald D'Souza SJ, to present this award. Proceeding to the further awards, the award for the second runner-up. This was being identified for the team who had come all the way to the semi-final rounds and was awarded highest among those who could not qualify for the final rounds. The second runner-up award is conferred upon Ms. Dimple Ganiga P, Ms. Chuki Anagha S, and Ms. Kondala Fani Priya of School of Law, Alliance University, Bengaluru. I call upon Advocate Santosh Nagarale and our learned Vice Principal to present these awards. Without further delay, we'll proceed to declare who's the runner-up, the one who stood all the way to the last test. But it is no less of an effort that has come. The award for the runner-up comes to Mr. Vikram K.S., Mr. Neelesh Nandan, and Mr. Keshav Jain from KLE Law College, Bengaluru. I call upon Advocate L.P. Rigo and our learned principal to confer these awards. Now I hereby declare the winners of the fifth SJCL National Moot Court Competition 2025 is conferred upon Ms. Chetana Dinesh, Ms. Dikshita M, and Ms. Shuni Vivek from BMS College of Law, Bengaluru. I call upon our chief guest, Honorable Justice Narendra Prasad, and the dignitaries to step forward for conferring the awards. Thank you, Honorable Chief Guest and dignitaries on the dais. I hope these awards will definitely inspire you to pursue further heights of legal excellence in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A distinguished event such as this would be incomplete without expressing our gratitude to the stalwarts who have graced us with this presence and wisdom.
We begin with our chief guest, a name synonymous with integrity and judicial excellence, Justice H.T. Narendra Prasad Gowda. I now request Father Director, Principal, Vice Principal, and Finance Officer to kindly felicitate Justice Narendra Prasad with a token of our gratitude.
Next, we honor Senior Advocate LPE Rego, whose vast experience and insightful guidance throughout the final round enriched this competition immensely.
We would also like to honor Advocate Santosh Nagrale, who brought a grounded and practical perspective to the proceedings. No battle is won alone, and no win succeeds without the dedication of many hands and minds. To express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who contributed to making this competition a resounding success, we invite the faculty coordinator, Ms. Aprachada Marak, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to begin by extending our heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Honorable Justice Mr. H.T. Narendra Prasad and our distinguished judges for the final round, Advocate Mr. L.P. Rego and Advocate Mr. Santosh Nagarale. Thank you for being here, for taking the time to be part of this, and for sharing your thoughts. And it meant a lot to the participants and to all
who has the chance to learn from you. Watching this competition take shape has truly been inspiring. With every round, I saw participants think sharper, speak clearer, and grow more confident in their argument. It was more than just a competition. It was a journey of learning, growth, and discovery. Of course, none of this would have happened, would be possible without the people working quietly behind the scenes, the ones who kept everything running, the mentors by the participants, like the silent pillars, and the judges offered their valuable time and thoughtful observation. So before we bring this event to a close, I want to pause and thank everyone. As we reach the conclusion of this memorable event, I truly hope each one of you walk away with something more than just certificates and trophies. I hope this experience gave you a glimpse into our judicial system, how ought to function fairly, articulately, and with integrity. Personally, I feel incredibly privileged to have witnessed such passionate performances by students, the future custodians of justice, putting in the effort to present both the sides of complex issues with such conviction and clarity. I hope this is a moment you can look back on in years to come with a sense of pride and gratitude. To all who made this event possible, Director Reverend Father Gerald D'Souza SJ, thank you for your constant leadership and encouragement. Principal Dr. Pauline Prias, as we thank you for your commitment to not just the institution, but to every student and staff members' well-being is deeply appreciated. It means a great deal to be part of a team led by a person who genuinely care. Vice Principal Ms. Shobha Hegde, we extend our heartfelt thanks to our Vice Principal for her invaluable support throughout this National Moot Court competition. Our sincere gratitude also goes out to all the well-wishers for their constant encouragement and blessings. Finance Officer Father Prashant Sequeira, events like this come with a huge share of demands, and I truly appreciate the trust and support you've shown in enabling this to happen. To Advocate Uma Shankar sir, a special heartfelt thank you for always standing by the Moot Court Society and guiding us in all our endeavors. Your constant support, encouragement, and silent strength behind the scenes have played a huge role in shaping our Moot Court competition. We're genuinely grateful for everything you have done, sir. Dear participants, you are the soul of this event. Your presence, your passion, and your preparation were the reminder that the future of the legal fraternity is in good hands. What we witnessed wasn't just a debate, it was a clash of wits and a duel of ideas. To the principals and mentors of the participants, thank you for pushing your students, believing in them, and guiding them to perform their best. To my dear colleagues, thank you for your constant support, both direct and behind the scenes. Your encouragement helped us carry this event forward with confidence and strength. I hope you continue to support the Moot Court Society as we grow. To our non-teaching staff, thank you so much. You might not always be in the spotlight, but we know that without you, nothing would run as smoothly as it does. You are the invisible force that keeps this engine going, and I want you to know that your work is seen, valued, and deeply appreciated. To the volunteers, thank you for being our limbs when ours weren't enough. Your willingness to step in and help whenever needed with humility and grace did not go unnoticed. To the student coordinators, I am incredibly proud of you. Watching you grow through this process, taking initiative, solving problems, and being leaders in your own right has been one of the most fulfilling parts of this journey. I sincerely hope the skills you have developed here go on to help you in every chapter of your life. And to those who have not yet taken part in the Moot Court competitions, I hope today sparks something in you. Maybe next time you will be the one up there, voicing an argument, learning the ropes of courtroom advocacy, and experiencing the thrill of the challenge. To everyone in this room, Thank you for being part of this event and for making us and for helping us make it successful and truly memorable one.
Let's unite in reverence and pride for our nation. I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
जननाथ द्राविड उत्कलवङ्गा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गङ्गा उच्चल जलधितरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
I request the audience to remain standing as our dignitaries exit the auditorium.
Team Code 6, kindly come and collect your mementos. Team Code 6.